Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. When you think of Antarctica, what comes to mind? A vast frozen desert of white, right? A continent of ice, seemingly barren and lifeless. But what if I told you that beneath that thick miles-deep sheet of ice lies a hidden world, a lost continent with mountains, rivers, and even lakes that have been sealed off from the rest of the planet for millions of years? Today, we're peeling back the ice to explore the incredible secrets of Antarctica. This isn't just about a frozen landscape. It's about a dynamic, hidden world that could change our understanding of life itself and even the future of our planet. So, grab your virtual parka because we're heading to the bottom of the world. For centuries, Antarctica was a blank spot on our maps, a place of myth and legend. Even after we started exploring it, we only saw the surface. We mapped the coastline, we reached the South Pole, but the real continent remained hidden beneath an average of 1.5 miles of solid ice. It was only with the advent of modern technology like ice-penetrating radar and satellite imaging that we started to get the first glimpses of what lies beneath. And what we found was staggering. Underneath all that ice isn't a flat, featureless plain. It's a full-fledged continent, complete with vast mountain ranges and deep cavernous valleys. Imagine mountains taller than any in the Alps, completely buried under ice. That's exactly what we found. The Gambershof Mountains, for instance, are a range stretching over 750 miles, with peaks reaching up to 9,000 feet. Yet, you'd never know they were there because they're buried under 3 miles of ice. These mountains are an enigma. How did they form, and why are they right in the middle of a continent? Their existence challenges our models of plate tectonics and continental formation. These hidden landscapes are like ghost continents, their features perfectly preserved by the ice that entombed them millions of years ago, offering a snapshot of a world before the Great Freeze. But perhaps even more astonishing than the hidden mountains are the hidden rivers and lakes. That's right. Liquid water flowing in the coldest place on Earth. Scientists have discovered a massive network of over 400 subglacial lakes and rivers, a hydrological system that crisscrosses the continent beneath the ice. The immense pressure from the miles of ice above, combined with geothermal heat from the Earth's core, keeps the water in a liquid state, creating a world in perpetual darkness. The largest of these is Lake Vostok, one of the biggest lakes on the planet, buried under 2.5 miles of ice. It is roughly the size of Lake Ontario and has been completely isolated from the outside world for at least 15 million years. Think about that for a moment. An ecosystem that has been sealed off for 15 million years. It's a time capsule from a distant past. What kind of life could exist there? The conditions are extreme. Total darkness, immense pressure, low nutrients, and freezing temperatures. Any life in Lake Vostok would have had to evolve in complete isolation, potentially leading to forms of life utterly alien to us. Scientists have painstakingly drilled into the ice just above the lake, analyzing the frozen layers for clues. They found microbial DNA, suggesting that life does indeed exist down there. But the true nature of that life remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. Is it based on chemistry we don't yet understand? Could it give us clues about how life might survive on other icy worlds in our solar system, like Jupiter's moon Europa? And it's not just microbes. Recently, a mind-blowing discovery was made. Scientists drilling through an ice shelf stumbled upon something they never expected to find. In the pitch-black freezing water nearly half a mile beneath the ice, they found life. Not just microbes, but complex marine animals. On a boulder on the seafloor, they discovered stationary creatures that looked like sponges and other filter feeders. This was a complete shock. It was believed that nothing this complex could survive so far from open water and sunlight, with seemingly no source of food. How do they survive? What do they eat? This discovery has completely upended our understanding of the limits of life, proving that even in the most inhospitable environments on Earth, life finds a way. Antarctica's hidden oceans could be teeming with new species we've never dreamed of. The secrets of Antarctica aren't just about biology. They're also about geology and climate. For years, scientists were puzzled by a phenomenon called phytoplankton blooms in the Southern Ocean. These massive explosions of tiny marine plants are the base of the ocean food web and play a huge role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. But they need iron to grow, and the Southern Ocean was thought to be iron deficient. So where was the iron coming from? The answer was hidden under the ice. It turns out that those buried Antarctic mountains are not just sitting there. They are slowly eroding, and the rivers flowing beneath the ice are carrying iron-rich sediment out to the ocean. And then there are the pyramids. You might have seen images online of pyramid-shaped mountains poking through the ice in Antarctica. These have fueled all sorts of wild theories about ancient civilizations and alien bases. While the idea of a lost city of pyramids under the ice is incredibly cool, the scientific explanation is a bit more down to earth, but still fascinating. Geologists explain that these structures are most likely nunataks, which are mountain peaks that stick out above the ice sheet. Their pyramid-like shape is the result of millions of years of freeze-thaw erosion, where ice and wind have carved the rock into sharp angular forms. So, while they are natural formations, they are a stark and beautiful testament to the powerful forces of nature at work in this extreme environment. They are nature's pyramids, sculpted by ice. The importance of understanding this hidden world cannot be overstated. It's not just an academic curiosity. The subglacial rivers and lakes act as a lubricant for the massive ice sheets above them. The flow of this hidden water can speed up or slow down the movement of glaciers as they march towards the sea. As our planet warms, understanding this hidden plumbing system is critical for predicting how quickly the Antarctic ice sheet will melt and how much it will contribute to global sea level rise. What happens in the darkness beneath Antarctica's ice could directly affect coastal cities all around the world. The secrets being unlocked, they're vital for our future. So, the next time you see a picture of Antarctica, remember what you can't see. Remember the ghost mountains, the dark rivers, and the ancient lakes. Remember the mysterious life forms that have evolved in isolation for millions of years, and the hidden geological processes that influence our entire planet. Antarctica is not a dead continent. It's a place of profound mystery and incredible discovery, a sleeping giant whose secrets we are only just beginning to wake. What other wonders are waiting to be found beneath the ice? We've only scratched the surface, and the biggest discoveries may still be ahead. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey under the ice. If you found this as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our world. Let me know in the comments what you think is the most incredible secret of Antarctica. Until next time, stay curious,